Good day, ma'am. I am Ajelyn Reyes, your student nurse from Pamantasan ng Lunsod na Marikina, and I will be demonstrating to you a fundal height measurement. But before that, I will explain first the rationale behind or the importance of fundal height measurement. It is to know the improvement and development of the baby inside the womb of a mother. And then, next is before entering the patient's room or touching the patient or that things belongs to the patient, you must always perform hand washing technique first to prevent the spreading of microorganisms and to avoid cross-contamination between you and your patient. So, let's assume that I have entered the patient's room, and then assume that my patient is a pregnant woman. Before doing any procedure to your patient, always provide privacy first to maintain the dignity of the patient. So, good day, ma'am. I am Ajelyn Reyes, your student nurse, and then what is your name?
I'm Noeli,
Okay. And then what is your date of birth?
September 19, 1996.
Okay. Are you done urinating? So, before doing a procedure, make sure that your patient has been empty her bladder because it can affect the measurement of her fundal. So, mom, relax and then let me know if you were ready, and then so we can start.
Yes, I am ready.
Position your patient into a supine position.
Gagawa ako ng ano doon.
And then use a positioning aid or a small pillow and then place it underneath the hip of the patient. Because your pregnant patient must or might be risk at supine hypotensive syndrome. And then next is we will expose her belly. So ma'am, I will expose your belly. Is it okay to you? And then use a tape measure and place the zero line from the symphysis pubis to the fundus of the mother. And then, after measuring the fundus of the mother, make sure to document the findings of your assessment. And then, a short explanation in this procedure is when the mother or a pregnant woman reach a 24 weeks, it must be matched on the measure of the fundal of the mother. What I mean is, when the patient is in 24 weeks, it must be 24 centimeter, but is it okay to have +2 or -2 on the centimeter measure of the patient? And then next is if the patient is in 26 weeks and then you measure her into a 29 centimeter, it is what you call way too big from the normal baby. The reason why is maybe the patient baby is much bigger than the normal baby, or she have a multiple baby like a twins, triplets or quadruplets. And then next is when your patient is in 26 weeks and then you measure her into a 23 centimeter, it is what you call way too small. And then the reason why maybe the patient is a smoker or she have a chronic diseases. And then that is all. Thank you for watching.